This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula List. Move right into this beautiful completely redone 4th floor 1,869 square feet Majesty model condo with a lovely lake view. Renovations installed less than 5 years ago include granite and stainless steel appliances with beautiful wood cabinets, 2 newer bathrooms, plantation shutters, newer air conditioner and hot water heater, hurricane shutters on all windows. For a bonus, a covered carport is also deeded to this condo. Enjoy the beautiful view and wonderful Coral Lakes active adult community. Coral Lakes boasts of a new clubhouse, theater, cafe, indoor and outdoor pools, gym and aerobics program, tennis and pickleball with 2 pros. Coral Lakes has something for everyone. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula List at 561-981-9400.